Welcome to our exploration of the word guest. It's a simple word with a lot of meaning. Let's take a closer look. Meaning: a guest is someone who is invited to visit or stay in someone else's home, event, or place. They are not the host, but the person being welcomed. Pronunciation: pronounce guest as street, rhyming with best. Use in a sentence. Here's an example. We had many guests at the wedding, including friends and family. Synonyms: if you want to use a different word for guest, you can say visitor, attendee, or company. Antonyms: to express the opposite, consider host, resident, or inhabitant. Conclusion: that's our brief exploration of the word guest. It's a term for someone who is invited and welcomed by others. Thanks for joining us, and remember to be a gracious guest when visiting others.